How to change date in Yahoo Mail. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Tech It's Simple. In today's tutorial, I will guide you through the steps to change the date in Yahoo Mail. In order to log in, go on any browser and write www.yahoo.com. Make sure that you are logged in. This page basically allows you to change the date in your Yahoo Mail account. But if you change your time zone, the date will be updated based on your time zone. And in order to do that, firstly, after appearing on this homepage, tap on the mailbox-like icon, and this homepage will be shown on your screen, from which you have to click on the calendar-like icon, as shown by the arrow. Press on Calendar Full View, and a new tab will be opened. In this tab, you have to tap on the Settings option in the upper right corner. Again, press on Calendar Options. After that, you will be open to the settings of the calendar. From here, you can change different settings as shown on the screen. But in order to change the time zone, click on the time zone and select any time zone as your preference. For instance, I live in Nepal, so I chose the time zone as Kathmandu. After you do that, a Settings Successfully Saved message will pop up on your screen. And that's it. This is how easily you can change the date in your Yahoo Mail account based on your time zone. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tutorials. We'll see you on the next one. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.